Hello and welcome back to Junk Food Joyride. Today we're going to be installing this lovely cam angle sensor from Racer X. First you got to remove the old one, so let's take it off. It's held in by these two bolts here, this one and then one directly below it. And with that second one off, we can now remove the old distributor. It just slides out. And this is it here. So it comes in this lovely little box. I got this one shipped from America, the US of A to be specific. And this is what's inside. So you've got the housing for the cam angle sensor. It's a nice, solid, hefty piece of machined aluminium with an O-ring. And under that, you've got the rotating assembly itself. Uses ball bearings and an O-ring to seal. And along with that, you've also got some hardware. So first in goes the rotating assembly. It's a ball bearing unit and it just slides into the slot. I use a little lube, and I'm sure you do as well, so you don't damage the O-rings. And once you push it in a little bit, you can then rotate it so it slides into the cam. It should be flush with the engine there. Now we can install the cover itself. So it can only go on one way. The bolts line up perfectly. And honestly, this is a very easy, simple job. Anyone can do at home. The most complicated part about this will be setting up your aftermarket ECU to work with the Hall effect sensor that it comes with. I'm going to be using a Link Fury ECU, and so all that sort of paperwork and documents are going to be found online, and hopefully it should be a pretty simple job, but I'll bring you guys along for the ride. Now, it doesn't actually come with the torque spec for these bolts, so what I did was use a 1/4-inch ratchet and just did it nice and tight with that. I did this to ensure that I don't accidentally strip out the threads in my aluminium head, because that is a pain in the behind to fix. So now that's installed, time to install the Hall effect sensor. So I just finger the hole right there to find out where it is, and all I have to do is screw it in. I'm not going to be cutting any wires today. I'm going to save that for when I wire in the ECU. So I'm just going to screw it in a little bit and just leave it here for now. Sure, it'll be fine. So that's how you install a cam angle sensor for a Gen 2 3S GTE. That's all for now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.